Okay, first we want to make sure the pump is off, and you can do that either with your remote, if you have a pool remote, or you can do it in your pool panel. So when you go into the pool panel, you can put it in service mode, and in service mode that'll turn the pool equipment off. So we want to make sure before we put the cleaner in that the pump is completely turned off. Alright, now we're going to hook up the pool cleaner, and to do that there's always one piece of hose that has a float on it, and that's the piece that hooks up to the cleaner. And this piece just fits right onto the cleaner just like that, and it snaps in place. And then all these pieces go together, they just snap in. When you store this, you want to take this back apart. You don't want to roll the hose up because it'll get like a memory rolled up. So you want to take these all apart every time. Put all these together. And then the last piece that plugs into the side of the pool will have a fitting that looks like that on it. That fits into the side of the pool wall. Get those all together. And we just throw the cleaner in the water. And then this piece here, this is called the vacuum lock. And it just has a little flip cover on it. So you just open that up and the end piece will fit right inside there. And now you're ready to go. Now we'll go over to the pool equipment and we'll turn the pump on. Okay, so if you're in service mode, you want to go back to auto, which is pressing the button 2 times. The next one's timeout, and then back to auto. And if you're in your regular daily operation, that's going to turn your filter pump on. If you're not in the regular daily operation, then you'll just need to go into your remote and turn pool mode on and turn on the pump. You'll hear it beep, and then you'll hear the pump turn on. Okay, now that the pump's running, we want to turn the cleaner valve on to the on position. This is a normal operation, the way the valves are normally set up, and this is our pool cleaner here. So we're going to turn this valve all the way to the left so that the off is facing towards the main drain. Also, we're going to take the skimmer valve and we're going to turn that skimmer valve mostly off, just a little bit open. So this has our cleaner valve completely 100% open, and the skimmer is open maybe 5%. That's going to get our vacuum working. Now that we've got our valves turned and our pump is back running in full operation, you'll be able to see the cleaner doing its job on the bottom. So every once in a while you might notice that your cleaner has stopped working, even though your pump's running, the valves are turned properly, but the cleaner has just stopped. Chances are there's something stuck in the bottom, like a rock or a kid's play toy. So what we want to do is, even with the pump running, reel it back in and look at the bottom of it and see if we can find out what's going on. So we're just going to reach in the water, grab the hose, we're going to pick it up. If the pump is running, we don't want to take it all the way out of the water because it'll start pulling air. So we want to just look at the bottom. There's the inlet, and you'd be able to feel some water sucking in there. It's not going to hurt you if you put your finger in there and just push it free, or you can even turn these wheels, and that'll usually break free whatever in there. Most of the time we find it's like a kid's play ball or something like that. Once it's free, these will start turning again, and then you just put it back down in the water and you're all set.